Shout out to the Sweet Farm.
Right, so the Sweet family, you know what I mean? I original, you understand?
To the face and hear the voice, you don't know Lisa Ipa. Me I represent for Sweet Farm. So subscribe to them YouTube channel right now. Right now.
The sweet spot, Jamaica snack section. St. Mary banana chips. I don't know, plantain chips. When we used to go to school, we used to have them nices, yeah. I'm just gonna grab some just to eat it. But this was the boom one, the chippies, banana chips. Yeah. I'm just gonna get one of this one. All of this cheese curl. All them red one, yeah. Them sweet. But what price for them chippies, yeah? What's this? Veggie straw, or what that? What are the cherry berries? Sorry, darling. Cheese stick. Oh, Jamaica have enough nice snacks, people. Oh, remember Bigfoot. Chicken and chips. Yeah, cheesies used to be my thing. Yeah. Grab some cheesies as well. Yeah. I'm not buying no Pringles and them thing there. Them there what we eat enough. Wanna support the Jamaica line. All them herbs hot. Red hot something here. Yep. Yeah, so we got our local Lay's and Doritos, but we ain't getting them ones. We're just gonna get the Jamaica snacks, them. Chicken frankfurter. We have all of the juice in the nice roast bigger. Shrimps. I don't know this one here. Oh yeah, chubby. We know it's chubby. Oh, them big drinks here. Are them big one here that's about, baby? Yeah. So we're getting some snacks as well. Irish Spring, the original. Oh, yeah. Yes, guys. Yeah, that should be enough snacks for me. I'm gonna.
Which one? This one?
Smell that one. The next one.
Charcoal.
Oh, them smell nice though. Lord God.
The original.
Yeah. And them drinks are ginger beer, the big ones. Bigger cola, champagne, pineapple. I used to love the apple one, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want one? How much of them? There's no price here. You know, say it's like the same price of them I cool some of them. Maybe them don't taste good though. Are you used to like them? I've never had it. I better we get some of these then. Oh yeah, we have a cream soda. I'll get about the high cool and get some of them when we used to, guys. I'm definitely gonna get a bigger. Which one is this? Buster.
Banana flavor soda. This was a good drink.
Yeah?
Yes.
I've never had these before.
I know the Buster, but I don't know what Huh?
What's that?
Which one is that?
Big Joe, what that? Island Samba. Okay. Alright, thanks. Oh, refreshing. Alright. Yeah, man. Alright, thanks.
Big Joe, the box drink, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes, good. Yeah, and get these ones. 33. Alright, so I think it depends on the brand, because if we get 3 of these, then it's different. But like if you get different brands, it's different prices. Okay. Pineapple. Cream soda pineapple.
Cola champagne.
I'm just gonna get one of this then, the bigger. And the cola champagne. I really love the cola champagne. I'm gonna get 2 cola champagne. No, I'm gonna get one of each. Pineapple. Pineapple. You get pineapple.
Yeah.
And we have cola champagne. Actually, I get a next cola champagne because I love cola champagne. Yes, people.
It's a cream soda.
Yeah, man, sorry.
Okay.
2 cream soda. Yes, there's an ice cream section now. Buckingham ice cream. Oh, Lord. Come like say me I go back and my clothes them can't fit me when me done buy all of them something I eat. Yeah. Yes, guys, shopping in Jamaica. Supermarket. Bones, I remember all them. Yeah. Yes, so we never have no cup. Oh, could I buy? I could go like wholesale go buy a cup. We don't need them. The guys, remember this book? Composition book. Then me care when we go Kingston bookshop the last time we bring book for them and then dash them away. Okay, so should we get one of these? Muscan standard. Look at stroller baby there for Italy. Yes, people. We need anything else? Our name so? Spitfire Dragon. I never hear about this yet. Spitfire. I've never seen that dragon yet. Malta. Oh, that's the original one that I used to. Melon, red stripe. Whoa. Morning. Yes, guys, so we just pick up some drinks and thing. Got so much millions, you know.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, we're supposed to. Any picture now?
Tally.
Yeah, Tally says she want Fruit Loop for follow Adley. Yes, Tally, when you're watching this video, so get your Fruit Loop. Look at this, guys. Roman raisin. I'm going to say this, but it's soft, so hopefully. And this our what be a rum cake look like some me out to get drunk today. And cheesies. Remember when we used to go to school, we used to have them banana chips. They just to buy it back up. They must be tough like coffee got jam out my teeth. Oh gosh. Mama, I just want a little taste of when we used to from when we younger, you know? Yeah, we can buy a quarter dozen. Yeah. Yeah, we need a bag, yeah? Yeah. Think of $60 for one bag. Well, maybe it is now.
$50 for a month.
One supposed to, alright. And then big. Good morning. Yes, sweet squad.
Yeah. Sorry.
Put everything else.
Yeah.
Oh, you want this in something?
Yes, please. If you can wrap it up, please. It's strong, not true. May hold it on me and your darling. Thanks, yeah?
Oh, thank you.
Yes, thank you very much. Yes, guys, well, good night. Thank you. Have a good day. Oh, watch where I go left for map stick. We have a receipt because I think we have to show it here. So over there, sir. Put in the mopstick. So thanks for joining our little adventure to pick up some bits and bobs in the supermarket. Yes, it's good. Camphor bag to throw in the car, guys. Kind of smell so good, so we have to buy a little thing and then go get.
Improvise.
Yeah, get some little. Yes. Yeah, man. Yes, guys. Like, share, subscribe.